Let's charmify my Birkin bag. So recently on Pinterest, I've seen like a lot of girls decorating their purses and adding charms and just giving it some personality. And today I'm gonna do the same thing with my bag. I usually wear my bag with the flaps open, so I think it'll be pretty easy to add the charms just all around it. So let's get started. This is the first little chain I have. It's like a bunch of strawberries. It's so cute. I want to kind of dangle it this way, and I want it to match the gold on the bag. I think the best way is to dangle it from like this way. Add the little hearts over here. Perfect. That looks so cute. We are starting off strong. It definitely adds some like texture and a little pop of color. I like it. I also love like a pearl moment, so I got this little pearl thing, and it also has a strawberry, so it will match the whole strawberry aesthetic that we have going on. I'm just gonna clip it onto here, and it kind of balances it out with the bow on this side and the pearls dangling down. Nice. Now it's time for my favorite little charm, a little Miffy with headphones. Okay, so I clipped Miffy to this little padlock, and she's looking so cute, listening to her little music with the strawberries. And lastly, we are going to add a cute boy to this bag. It would not be my bag if there was not a K-pop boy on there. So, you know, always gotta have a cute boy with me. So I'm gonna add J-Hope right here. And I think that really kind of like pulls it all together. Here is the final product. I am literally obsessed. It's so girly pop, it's so K-pop, it's so fun, and I hope this trend stays for a while, and you should definitely try it out on your bag.